Hello and welcome to another video from the SQL for Beginners lecture series. In this video, we are going to discuss about left join statements. Okay, so let's start the video. Left join. The left join keyword returns all records from the left table and the matching records from the right table. The result is zero records from the right side if there is no match with the right table. Okay. So for example, if we have two tables A and B, where A has 1, 2, 3, and 4, and B has 3, 4, 5, and 6. So as you can see, if we do A left join B, we will get all the data or all the values that are present in A, and also those values which are common to both A and B. Okay, so therefore we are getting an output of 1, 2, 3, 4 after we do A left join B. Okay, so let us now open up Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio and see how left join statements are written. So I have opened up Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, and I'll click on new query for my SQL writing workspace. Now I'll be using this database called customer info. So I'll write use customer info and I'll try to execute it. Okay, it says commands completed successfully. So now what I'll do is I will select everything just to look at the tables. I'll write select everything from the customer table and from the order table. Use square brackets when we have keywords using, okay, just to uh, make things clear. So okay. So we have these two tables. One is a customer ID having this. So we have name, region, street, address, city, zip, and in order table we have order ID, order date, ship date, customer ID, product ID, order quantity, and ship if it is shipped or not. Okay, so that's a boolean. So now what I'll do is suppose I want to select say for example the name. I want the name, then I want the region, then I want the street and city as my address. So what I'll do is I will write street plus, I'll separate them using a comma, and then I'll use city, okay, as address and what else, name is done. I could also use customer ID just to show you. So customer dot customer ID, okay. So this is it, and from the order table I want the for example order ID. I want the order ID, then I want the order quantity, and whether if it is shipped or not. Okay, yeah, I think this is it. And now from the customer table, and I'll do a left join. Okay, left join order table. So I'll use square brackets on customer dot my table name is customer and customer ID, because we have customer ID common, right? So we have a customer ID column in the customer table as well as a customer ID table in the order table. So we'll be using this to connect the two tables. Okay, on equals to order dot customer ID. Okay, so now if I try to run this, see I'm getting my what is the name? Alright, I have to use a comma here, which I missed. So now if I try to run it again,
So I have the customer ID. See, these are my customer ID, and the name, this the name is from the customer table, reason, then address. These two we concatenated. See how we concatenated street and city as address together. Then I have order ID, order quantity, and ship. These three are from the order table. So as you can see that we have few entries or few data values as null in the order ID column, order quantity, and shipped column. Okay, so why is that? This is because the customer ID 2 n, which has null values, and customer ID 4, these are not present in the order table. Okay, you won't find any customer ID in the order table having 2 and 4. Okay, you can check it out. See, there are no customer ID with values 2 and 4. So what happens is when we do a left join, everything from the customer table is reflected, and we get the output, like we get all the data values which are present in the customer table, and it may not be present in the order table. Okay, so therefore when we run this query, we have everything that we have the only data points that is present in the customer table is reflected. However, they are, because they are not present in the order table, we are getting null. Okay, but if we do not want that, if we want only the matching things to come together, we'll use a inner join, and then we'll see that only the ones which are present in both the tables, the common ones, see 2 and 4 are gone. So now we do not have any null values. Okay, but if we wanted to include all the data points or all the data that is present in the customer table, irrespective of whether those data values are or have a connection to the order table, we can use a left join. Okay, that is how we can use left join to connect uh, two tables and get all the data values from the left table, irrespective of whether those values are uh, present in the right table or not. Okay, so this is it for this video. In the next video we will look at right join and self join. So this is it, and I'll see you guys very soon. Thank you.